In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create another store in your Shopify account. We'll start by logging into your Shopify account and opening the dashboard of any store you already manage. This simply gives you a familiar starting point inside your account. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the screen for your account name or profile icon. Click that, and in the menu that appears, choose All Stores or Stores. This takes you to a central page where you can see every store associated with your account. On the All Stores page, find and click the Create Another Store button. This begins a new store setup flow. Don't worry, starting this process won't change anything in your existing stores. It just opens a fresh workspace so you can build something new. Next, follow the setup prompts. You'll be asked for a store name and a few basics. Pick a name that fits your brand or project. Keep in mind that the initial name affects your default Shopify subdomain, so choose something you're comfortable seeing in a URL. If you're experimenting or just testing an idea, it's perfectly fine to use a temporary name and adjust branding details later. Shopify may also ask for simple business information and what you plan to sell. If you'd rather move quickly, you can skip parts of the setup and jump straight to the dashboard. You can add products, customize a theme, and configure settings at any time. Once your new store is created, it starts with its own trial period. Each store you create is independent, which means it requires its own subscription plan and its own billing setup. Plan selection, payment details, apps, and themes are all managed per store. If you've purchased paid apps in another store, expect to install and subscribe to them separately here. This separation is helpful when you want different teams, brands, or testing environments without affecting your main business. Be sure to review the trial timeline, because certain features may be limited until you pick a plan. When you're ready, choose the plan that fits your expected traffic, staff needs, and feature requirements. If you need additional stores, simply return to the All Stores page and click Create Another Store again. You can repeat this process as many times as your business requires. To move between stores, use the Profile menu and select the one you want to work on. That's all there is to it. Log in, open All Stores, create another store, follow the prompts, and manage billing separately for each new store.